Want a new hairstyle easily through the help of an AI? I'm Emily, and today in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to change hairstyle in Facetune. Let's get started. Open the Facetune app first. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom. Tap on Add from My Device. Select the picture that you want to change the hair color of. Here at the bottom, you can see many editing options. Swipe to the right, then tap on Hair. There are many hair color options that you can choose from. Tap on any color that you like. And voila! You can get a new hair just like that. You can tap on Save at the top right to save the picture. And that is how to change hairstyle in Facetune. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.